Greetings, Pacific Trading Academy presents Mentor Mike's Market Movie, a video recap of my real-time trades for Tuesday, October 29, 2013. The time now is 1:10 p.m. Pacific time, and I am still in my last trade of the day. We're in the process of making a new high. I didn't begin trading until a little after 10 a.m. today Pacific time. I had a new student earlier in the day, and so I waited until I was finished with that lesson before I started in. And as you can see, we've had 4 trades today, the last of which is still in progress. The others were all single target trades, so we're finally getting on the scoreboard with something a little more respectable here, having hit 2 targets on this one. We'll either be stopped out, or we'll hit the 3rd target, or we'll be timed out at 1:14 p.m. here. And right now it's looking like that is the most likely scenario. But I can give you a quick recap while we wait for the final score. Here you can see we had a good little up move. We had a bearish cross on the MACD at about this point, and the market continued to drift up. But at this point here, we started to drop. Our overlaid stochastic came out of its overbought zone, and volume had been rising for some period of time up until then. So we got short, hit the first target. At this point, I actually reversed the position because the MACD had also changed its position. We were getting rising volume, and the stochastic was coming out of the oversold zone. So reverse position, hit the first target here, got stopped out here, and also went short at the same time. At that point, we had the MACD below its zero line. The stochastic was dropping, and the volume still appeared to be rising at that point, or at least it looked like it had a little bit of a curvature. My mistake. Let's see. Let me put this on here. No, it was still rising. We were right at this point right here. Hadn't quite started to drop yet. As soon as we took the trade, of course, it did. But I sweated through this little bounce, but eventually it sold off, and we hit the first target and precious little else. And then we had this bullish cross on the MACD, broke through the parabolic and stochastic rising, and started to get some increase in volume all at the same time here. And as I said earlier, we've hit the first 2 targets. Most likely we'll be stopped out here in I was about to say the next minute, but it happened sooner than that. So you are literally seeing the end of my trading day today. 4 trades, all winners, and the final score is 696.50. Again, for those who don't know, we trade 9 contracts with a 3-target peeling off strategy. All right. I also want to let you all know that we're going to have another webinar this coming Saturday, November the 2nd. Pacific Trading Academy is going to present POV Trading, another look at the technique that has produced the best monthly results ever. Now, I've been trading for a long time, folks, and for me to say that, it really means something. What's the difference? The difference is the addition of real-time volume. So I'm going to recap the whole month's trading, and it's an impressive number, I must tell you. And to assist you in understanding the technique better, I will select at least one day this week, and we will do a replay, and that will be happen as we conduct the webinar, and you'll get a chance to see exactly what the lineup of signals looks like for each trade in that replay. So if you want to brush up on the POV trading technique that has done so well by me, be sure and register for the Saturday webinar. November the 2nd, it's going to be at 9 a.m. Pacific time, and I'm sure you'll have other opportunities to register, but there is the basic link. And the first part of the registration links are always the same. What's key is that last number there, 809-789-574. That's the unique code for that particular webinar. So please try and make it. Here's one last look at today's chart, and I will see you all very soon.